Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to copy message from WhatsApp Business. Let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp Business app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. Let's open it. And this is the home page of your WhatsApp Business. Now you should have to tap on message which you want to copy. So I'm tapping here. Then tap on message you want to copy like this. Then you can see the option of direct copy on the third option available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it and see you have successfully copied message from WhatsApp Business. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.